step one is to turn on your vehicle. And after the vehicle is turned on, they say to wait. Make sure your infotainment center is fully on. So here we go, plugging it in. You will see a light come on to indicate that it is powering. Bluetooth pairing number. Whoa, and just like that, we have wireless Apple CarPlay. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is turn off the vehicle. I'm going to open the door so we kill the power completely and see if it boots up immediately and recognizes my phone. And would you look at that? It is wireless Apple CarPlay in your vehicle.